Ha! We fighting all of you fools. Oh, you thought I was done. I'm at full health. Oh, you thought you street fiends were done. Get out of here. Yep, style rank up, all right. Yeah, I want to beat you fiends up. You guys are all too afraid to smack stuff around. That's why you guys are like, you smack a few fiends left and right, but I'm choosing that. All right. We gifted Chun-Li something. So it'd be so it's 33, 29, 51. $30. One. Boom. Bosch knows something's up here. I told Bosch to get in touch with me at this number. Who's this? Friend of Bosch? You're wondering where he is? Well, collect some intel. No specific fighter. As an information broker, I'll tell you whatever it is you want to know for a price. But considering the client relationship here, cash doesn't seem an appropriate form of payment. How about you click some intel for me? Want to know about a specific fighter. Seems this was taken at a construction site somewhere in Metro City. Find him for me. Do that and I'll share everything you know. Alright. Elusive former national champion. Okay. That sounds really scary. I'm gonna need to fight more people. Yeah. Fight. Oh, you like to do that? Ha. There you go. Oh, it can. It's real and it's scary. You think this guy ain't scary? You see the horns? You're getting some prime fighting experience. Even though it's not much, because I'm way too OP for you. I'm like the previous world champion fighter. I was like, oh boy, I want to fight. I don't know what you're looking for. Let's fight. And more? You want more? Let's get more. There we go. It does. It does look interesting. And we're about to do more of it. As I ain't done. I ain't done with you fiends. There. There you go. Get face planted. Yep. We're still not leveled up, huh? Why? Because we gotta get it. That's why. That. Stand where, you fiend? You mini fiend? Miniature fiend? We still ain't there yet. That. The Junkyard Wrecker has come to claim. They didn't ask for it. I started it. That's what. I started it. I'm fighting, man. There we go. Oh, it is real. It's real and dangerous. The demon is coming. He's coming to uppercut and punch blast his way through every single one of you fiends. Oh, you thought this was the end of it. safety helmet. All right. Well, I want to have some more money. You can kind of fight, lady. I'll give you that. Kinda. Kinda. We still aren't there yet, but I'm considering fighting you. I know I can fight you. I unfortunately have to buy hard hats. Because they make me do it. Alright. Let's go to Beat Square. Alright. There we go. Now, why do you keep jumping? Stop jumping. Stop jumping. I want to go on the subway and do some fiend. You guys don't sell it? Really? You guys don't sell it? Ah, sick. Yep. We're officially a Daedra. Is that all? What did you expect, dude? What did you expect? It's like, is that all? And I'm like, ah, man, if only you knew. I'm not doing that right now, but at least I figured out what that place is for. I'll change his eyes later. I think. At least we figured out what it's for, right? Why not? There we go. The simple combo. Got me in your corner. Wanting to be strong at things. I'm going for it, man. Especially with that XP boost on. I need as many fights as I can get in a row, man. As many as I can while we try to look for that helmet. I mean, I want to just beat him up, but I need to find. I need to find that tournament. Where they sell it? Whatever. I'll just fight. When in doubt, fight. You'll need the levels anyway. We're coming after a world champion. Like, you know what that means, right? That means we're going to get our butt slammed if we don't have some crazy levels. Like if we don't have levels, man, we're in trouble, man. There we go. Boom. We can run. I like running without running out of stam. So many dang cars in the daytime, man. How am I supposed to cross that? Peril Clerk, Garma. Might as well bring an extra helmet. I'm now the construction demon. We had the demon, now I'm the demon construction worker. In the next episode, the demon construction worker is going to go find the other demon. Like and subscribe.